This is popcorn tofu. Just listen. Add some plant milk to a bowl, sriracha, and vinegar to make vegan buttermilk. And the star of the show, break it into chunks and let it sit for a few minutes. Toss the tofu in the starch mix, back in buttermilk, and then in panko. What a beauty! Season at every stage. Well, I would make this torta d'amore with a lovely frosting. It's so good, it will make you irresistible. I found my Valentine and he asked me to bake a cake. Combine flour with sugar, baking powder, then add sparkling water and oil. Now combine everything. I refrigerated the coconut milk overnight, some powdered sugar, and whip it up. It's like whipped cream. Add some thawed raspberries, a generous pinch of love, and stir that in. Some coconut chips to make it more attractive. How to approach your Valentine? Let's make wontons in a garlic chili sauce. This is good. Homemade dumpling wrappers. Let's make the filling. Feel free to use your favorite veggies or from Sesame Street. Crumble in the tofu and season with soy sauce. Now shape the dumplings with your brother. Who did a better job? Garnish with spring onion. This is what I would make for Valentine's Day. Let's make lo mein. It's full of flavor. Let's get cooking. You can use either mushrooms or tofu. Garlic, carrots and cabbage need to walk. Fry until softened. In the meantime, make the sauce. Time efficiency. Soy sauce, some hoisin sauce, a hint of agave or maple syrup. The essential decoration. This is made in 15 minutes and it's absolutely delicious. You have to try these barbecue tofu ribs. Cheers! So good. This is tofu and we'll crumble it in a bowl. Then add chickpea flour, garlic powder, onion powder and paprika, a little salt, and vegan Worcestershire sauce. I think I got it right this time. Combine all ingredients. Then knead with love and roll it into a rectangle. Like that. Rub it with a few spices. Now fry both sides until golden brown. Coat it in a generous amount of barbecue sauce and bake. If you still think that tofu tastes boring, this is popcorn cauliflower. Sweet and spicy. Woo! The perfect cauliflower. Make a quick batter with flour, water and salt. Dip in there the cauliflower, then coat it in breadcrumbs and bake until crispy. Now fry garlic in some oil, add in chili sauce and ketchup, some vinegar, agave and a little bit of water. Stir and that's our sauce. Some onion greens. This is the best way to hide vegetables. Let's make samosas. Dip and enjoy. We start by making a very simple dough. Here are 2 cups of flour, a little bit salt, stir in 5 tablespoons of oil, then gradually add your cold water and knead really well. And once you get a nice dough ball, let it rest. Now add the cooked potato. Mash, 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 mash. We need more cheese. Salt to taste. And this is our filling. Roll out 8 circles, cut them in half, put some water on the straight side and make a pocket. Add some filling, close the pocket, and here's your samosa. Brush them with a little bit of oil and bake or air fry. Crispy on the outside, soft filling inside. Let's make crispy peanut dumplings. Woo! If you don't use store-bought wrappers, combine flour, salt and cold water. Knead for 5 minutes. This is our dough and set it aside. Scallion, ginger, garlic and mushrooms. Cook until soft, then season with soy sauce and chili powder. The dough. And roll it out. Cut into rectangles, add some filling and fold. Transfer to a baking tray, brush them with oil and bake until crispy. Peanut butter. Our peanut sauce. Dumplings and peanut sauce? Hell yeah. Here are the best vegan brownies. Just look at it. This is unreal. Start by melting margarine and dark chocolate. If you're on a diet, look away for a second. This is chickpea water and a great egg replacement. Then add sugar. Whip it out. Oh, it smells so good. Then stir in the chocolate mixture. Optionally, 1 scoop Smegtastic. In a separate bowl, combine cocoa powder, some flour, and baking powder. Next, add the dry to the wet mix and stir, but don't overmix the batter. If you didn't eat all the batter, transfer it to a baking dish and bake it. Let it cool down completely after baking. Yeah, you need some patience. Then cut it into pieces. Oh yes, this is an apple cinnamon roll. Just look at it. First add lukewarm plant milk to a bowl. Instant yeast and sugar. Stir and let it sit. Now you can add applesauce as an egg replacement, some vegan butter, and flour. Knead it with love. Once it's nice and soft, let it rest. The dough and roll it out. Some melted vegan butter, the cinnamon apples, place the rolls in a baking tray and let them rest again. Quick frosting with powdered sugar, optionally Smegtastic to taste, and stirring water. And that's it. This is the taste of winter.